Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Focus Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. Before we get started, you will want to grab a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device and looks something similar to this, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, extend out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone. Using the tool, push it in, and you'll see that the tray pops out, and now for you to be able to pull it out. On the tray, you'll have space for two different SIM cards. Now, I'll be using only one of them, but you can place your card on either one, or obviously occupy both of them if you wanted to, and then insert it back into your device. And the card should start working right away. It is for me at least, as it's telling me to put in my SIM card pin. This unlocks my SIM card, and that's it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.